Sometimes loss is not the end. It's life pushing you to fly higher. Today's story will give you a new hope, so stay with us till the end to learn this powerful life lesson. Picture this massive ancient bronze bell in an old temple. It hasn't been rung in years. A little sparrow comes along and builds her nest right up inside of it. It's safe from the rain, it's cool in the summer, and it's super cozy. To her, this is the ultimate forever home. She's set. She goes about her days peacefully, totally convinced nothing will ever change. But when life gets hard, it usually happens without warning. One day, out of nowhere, a group of people show up and ring that massive bell. The noise is deafening, the vibration is crazy, and in an instant, her perfect little nest is completely destroyed. The sparrow flies away terrified, totally heartbroken. She's thinking, why me? I didn't do anything wrong to deserve this. She doesn't know how to deal with unexpected change. She wanders around for days, exhausted, hungry, and basically ready to just give up. But then, because she decided to trust the process, she stumbles into this hidden, beautiful part of the forest. There's fresh running water, trees loaded with sweet fruit, and the absolute perfect branches to build a new home. It is 100 times better than that dark, stuffy bell. And sitting in this new paradise, she discovers the power of letting go. If that bell had never been rung, she would have stayed stuck in that dark little space forever. She never would have found this incredible place. Look, we are exactly like that bird. We get so stuck in our comfort zones, whether it's a job you don't really love, a toxic relationship, or just an average situation, and we think, this is it. This is as good as it gets. We don't want anything to change. But when life knows you deserve so much better, it forces you out to help in rebuilding your life. We immediately call it a tragic loss. But is it really? It's just life ringing the bell so you can break out of your comfort zone and find what you're actually meant for. Sometimes letting go of the past is the only way to move forward. So if your world is shaking right now, don't panic. When everything falls apart, remember, it's not the end of your story. It's just life prepping you to fly higher. There is a place or an opportunity waiting for you that is better than anything you could have imagined. Your only job right now is to keep believing and keep flying. A tiny shift in perspective changes everything. If this gave you a little bit of hope today, drop a like to join our community of positivity. Hit subscribe and become part of the Mindset Mastery 2.0 family. Because we're always here to help you level up your mindset, stay strong, and never stop flying.